The Forwinparts 911095 Vapor Canister offers a precise fit for many Chevrolet and GMC trucks and vans, making it a strong choice for keeping the evaporative emissions system working correctly. Its design uses quality charcoal media to capture fuel vapors effectively, which can help reduce fuel odors and support cleaner operation over time. The canister is built with sturdy housing and solid connectors that feel durable enough for demanding daily driving and work truck use. Compatibility with a wide range of model years and platforms, including heavy-duty variants, makes this canister especially convenient for owners and mechanics managing mixed fleets. Installation is straightforward for anyone familiar with basic underbody work, and the mounting points line up well with original equipment locations. Overall, this vapor canister delivers dependable performance and construction that compares well with original parts while helping restore emissions reliability.